Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the wonderful world of plants. Today we have a special plant to showcase, the Brandywine Tomato. This heirloom variety is beloved for its rich history, exceptional flavor, and stunning appearance. Join me as we take a closer look at the Brandywine Tomato. The Brandywine Tomato is a renowned heirloom tomato that has been cherished by gardeners for generations. It originated in the late 1800s, making it one of the oldest heirloom tomato varieties still cultivated today. One of the most remarkable features of the Brandywine Tomato is its impressive size. These tomatoes can reach an extraordinary weight of up to 1 pound each. They have a distinct pinkish red color with a slightly ribbed texture and a wonderfully juicy, sweet flavor. Growing Brandywine tomatoes requires some attention, but the reward is well worth it. These indeterminate tomatoes thrive in full sun, so make sure to provide at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. The soil should be well draining and rich in organic matter. Companion planting can be beneficial for Brandywine tomatoes. Consider planting them alongside herbs like basil or marigolds, which can help repel pests and attract beneficial insects. Tomatoes also grow well when planted near carrots, onions, and peppers. The Brandywine tomato is highly versatile in the kitchen. Its exceptional flavor makes it perfect for enjoying fresh in salads, sandwiches, or as a standalone snack. They can also make delicious sauces, salsas, and even roasted tomato dishes. Besides their culinary uses, Brandywine tomatoes are a great source of nutrients. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, promoting overall health and well-being. Their distinct flavor and appearance make them a favorite among tomato enthusiasts and chefs alike. And that concludes our exploration of the Brandywine tomato. Its large size, exceptional flavor, and rich history make it a sought-after variety among gardeners and tomato lovers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, the Brandywine tomato is a delightful addition to any garden. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative plant profiles and gardening tips. See you in the next video.